Arctera and Arca are partnering together. Together, we bring enterprise context directly into legal AI workflows, allowing organizations to apply AI directly against governed enterprise communications, files, and historical records already under management. Powered by Arctera AI Converge, the combined integration allows teams to accelerate legal reviews and investigations while maintaining governance, oversight, and defensibility throughout the workflow. This is how legal AI becomes operational at enterprise scale. I want to go ahead and show you 3 examples of how Arca and Arctera work together to provide you a powerful agentic platform. Our sample dataset contains the archives of Enron, emails, attachments, chat messages, and more. I'll go ahead and navigate to our first example, which is around e-discovery and legal investigation. We need to know when leadership became aware of the financial collapse, since that's the difference between negligence and intent. You can go ahead and ask this question in natural language to Arca. We can see that Arca went ahead and looked at all of the Arctera data that we had and pulled the relevant information. It's built this timeline for us, and it's highlighted the significance of each of the pieces of communication to accelerate our understanding of the situation and how it evolved. I'll move to our second example, which is around compliance and audit workflows. Internal controls investigations almost always come down to one question. Was the process followed or was it bypassed? And did anyone raise a concern that was ignored? Here we can ask Arca to dive into the LJM partnership transactions to build a trace of the internal approval chain. We can see that again, it reached into Arctera with an intelligent search to pull all the relevant communications, and just went ahead and showed us the right data records, and even intelligently call out some of the limitations of the underlying data. Everything comes with citations, and it's gone ahead and applied legal reasoning to provide us some more context on these transactions and what they mean from a compliance and audit perspective. Now I'll go ahead and go to our third and final example, which is around enterprise data exploration. Previously, data archives may have been difficult to query and extract strategic insights from, but now with this new integration and partnership, you're able to leverage your data archive as an intelligent data source to extract insights from. You can see here that we're asking Arca to look across all of our archived communications and ask which external counterparties had the most substantial back and forth with Enron's finance and treasury teams. What were the dominant topics they were talking about? And please flag any of the tone shifts over time. You can see here that Arca was able to go into Arctera's data source, pull out the requested communications, and highlight the actual counterparties that the finance team was talking to the most. It's also pulled out the dominant topics and highlighted the shifts in tone, specifically for Dingy. For Arctera customers, Arca starts here, an intelligence layer on top of your governed archive. And for organizations with additional data sources, ERPs, CLM platforms, CRMs, data warehouses, Arca connects across your entire legal and business stack the same way.